Product review time, my friends. I got a new toy. That's right. So I got to fill my sack here with some rocks. We got to make my sack nice and heavy so that I can toss it over these here branches just like this. Whoop. Yep, first try. Okay, all full disclosure, that was second try. But still, I got it up there. Then we got to attach this chainsaw chain here to both of the ropes and hoist it up over the branch there that I just threw that thing over. And then I can cut these fucking branches down from the safety of the ground. You see, because I do not like heights. As much as I do climb ladders, I don't like to, okay? And I definitely don't like to climb ladders with chainsaws. So, if I can go down here on the ground and do this, it'll be much safer for me. Now, this is a fucking pain in the ass, and it had a huge learning curve, let me tell you what. But once you figure out how to kind of use it, you can definitely take some branches down, okay? It definitely worked. It came with little handles. Those things were just unnecessary completely. Just wear some gloves and wrap it around your hands because those handles would be a pain in the ass to attach to this. There are definitely lots of pieces to this thing that are not built well, but the paracord and the chain itself are fine. So if you want to get one of these, just stick to one that has a good paracord or a good rope and a decent chain, because that's all that fucking matters with this thing. Let me tell you what. I like to make the two cuts on these branches in case they split, because I know they're going to. Most of them did, because I'm not up there, making the back cut and then cutting it down and everything. So I just cut them out a little bit further, and I made 2 cuts per branch and just cut the rest of it off close to the tree just like this to make it look nice and pretty. And now, it's fantastic. I've got all the branches to where I want them. None are growing too close to the house. I'm trying to save this tree rather than cut it down. See, I do try to save trees, my friends. I'm not just out here cutting all the trees down. I know you guys are saying that, and I don't really care, but I'm trying to save some of these trees, okay? This one looks a lot better. All the branches are like 20 feet off the ground at least, and I'm looking a lot better here, you know what I mean? This is going to make my backyard here look so much better. I can't wait for springtime, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that beautiful tree.